guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving weekend. I just chilled. I didn't do anything much. I did a little of shopping here and there, but otherwise it was a complete rest day. I literally did Netflix and chill, nothing much. But I hope everyone is safe, everyone is healthy. So today's video is more like what I carry in my bag. Like if I go for around 3 hours, like more than 3 hours, or if I go on a one-day vacation, or if it's a proper vacation, so all of these are must, and I feel all of these things should be carried by every girl. It's kind of an essential survival kit. Even men should carry few essentials. It's not like only girls. There are few things even men should carry, especially when you have girls around you or you're going for a long trip. There are few things, but the men's survival kit, I think I'll do a separate video, but today it's all about the girl survival kit. So without wasting much time, let's dig into my bag. So this is the bag I last used, and so I thought I haven't changed my bag, so I thought let me just show you guys what I carried last. And this is a bag from Kate Spade, and this was gifted by my best friend, and thank you so much. If you're watching this video, I love this bag. Thank you for this bag. So it's from Kate Spade, as I told you guys, and it has 3 compartments, one over here, one main compartment inside. There are 3 slots inside, and there are 2 side pockets, which is always filled with tissues. I always carry tissues on both the sides. There's nothing much in the pockets, it's only tissues. And then we'll first dig into the main section and then go to the rest of the sections. So the main sections, if I already have a sanitizer attached, which is a must now, and otherwise, so this is how my bag looks. If you guys can see, it's very neatly organized and very well organized. So first is the water bottle. I always have a water bottle with me, which is more like a survival thing for me. I need to drink water, and sometimes there are places where you don't get water or you might not like it, so I always fill this bottle and carry water just for emergency. And then we have some snacks, so it's all nuts, healthy nuts if I'm hungry, and if there is nothing which I like to eat or something, I just munch on these nuts. It's basically just almonds and walnuts, nothing much. Whichever snacks you like, I think you should just put in your bag. It's usually either dark chocolates or this. I think last I carried this, so this is there in my bag, but either I actually switch. I actually have dark chocolate more than this, because dark chocolate actually helps you in controlling your hunger for a longer time, and it's even healthy for your health, and I like dark chocolate, that's why. So yeah, so those are 2 things. Now then I have a wallet. This is from Chumbak. I don't think, nothing much, just few cards and just the wallet which everyone has. So this is something which I had already spoken, but I think I've updated few stuffs in this bag. And this one, even if I'm not going for more than 3 hours, even if I'm going for 1-2 hours, this is always in my bag. So let's check what is in this bag. So this bag is basically from Kama Ayurveda. They had given us a complimentary, and it is a jute material. So I basically like anything which is jute, or all these kind of bags which are very cute and handy. So I'll just show you guys what's in this bag. The first one is lip balm, the Maybelline Baby Lip, I don't know, it's called as the Baby Lips Bloom. This, I think I've been using this since ever. I have not stopped using this, so I like both the shades, the orange and the pink. So this is must in my pouch. And then I have a lip plumber, and it is called Dior's lip gloss. Basically, I don't know what plums and all that, but it is very nice. Yeah, this is also something which I recently added. Initially it was not in my recently, I think just a month back or something, I added this in my kit. Then I have a Zara roll-on perfume, which is a must. And then I have a mist. This is also a must. It's from a Kama Ayurveda's pure rose water face and body mist, steam distilled, which is really good. It smells amazing, and whenever I walk around in the sun or something, it actually, when I just spray this, it kind of hydrates my skin and gives me that fresh feel. That's why I've always stuck to this one. Then I have a lip butter from the Body Shop. It's the Shea butter. This is also something which I always have it with me, and this is only this flavor I use. It's the vanilla, I guess. So yeah, this is some, I don't know which flavor is this, but it tastes and smells like vanilla, so I'm considering it to be vanilla. And then I have a mascara from Sephora. I think I got this as a complimentary or something, and then I just put it in my bag. So this is something. Then again, I have a lip stay. This is more like a lip crayon, so it's like a lipstick. So this is also from Maybelline, and this is also very very good. It has a small sharpener behind, and yeah, this is also a really good one. And this bag carries a lot. And then I have a Clinique Moisture Surge. This is very very good for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. This is a must. This is awesome. If anyone is looking for some moisturizer and there's a sale going on, you can check out. This is really good. They have mini size, so this is the mini size. Actually, this fits in the bag very easily. That's exactly why I picked this up. It is just amazing. Actually, Clinique's all moisturizer are very good. This especially is a bomb. So if anyone is looking for a good moisturizer, go for this one. This I got it in sample size, like they give a complimentary, right? That's exactly how I got it, and I've been using this and it's amazing. Then the next one is the hand cream. I can't do without hand cream. It's a must. You'll actually find 2 or 3 along with me, at least 2. So this is the first one, and this one is the Face Shop. It's cherry blossom and it's beautiful. So I always my hand somehow gets dry. I don't have a dry skin, but somehow my hands and feet always get dry. For that, I need to have this, and I immediately hydrate them so that I don't have any skin peeling issues and all going on. So then I have another one, other lip balm, Bobbi Brown. I know I have a lot of lip balms because I'm a huge fan of lip balms, and somehow my lips also get very dry. They start cracking, so I need to hydrate them more and more. So I have a variety of them. So this is also very good. This is my second one, and this is beautiful. If anyone is looking for an high-end lip balm, go for Dior and Bobbi Brown. It's beautiful. The others I haven't tried. Even Givenchy is very good. It's beautiful, but I haven't yet put in my this one. And I have an I think this is, oh, I have 2 mascaras. I wonder why. But anyways, this is also Clinique's mascara, and this was also complimentary. That's why it's in a travel size, so I had just put it in. Let me just, I don't know why do I have 2 mascaras, but anyways. And this is a very cute mirror, travel mirror, and it's a compact, basically compact mirror, and it has both sides mirror, and it has S. That's exactly why I bought this. I think this I bought it from Accessorize in India. It is beautiful, this mirror, how it helps. It's very nice. So I think it's a must to have a mirror in your travel kit, because you never know, you need to fix your face, your hair, your eyeliner. I don't know, I've been using this a lot. Before I purchased this, I didn't know it is so useful, but after purchasing this, it is a lot. It actually is a very very useful thing to have it along with us. So this is one more thing which I carry every time. And then I have another body spray, and this is pure Mogra water from Kama Ayurveda. This I got as a complimentary when I purchased pure rose water. I have a lot of bottles of these, so when I purchased that, they gave me this as a sample. I don't use this much. That's exactly why it's actually full, because I'm so into the pure rose water one. It smells good, it makes me feel really good, and it even works on my skin. It doesn't give me that irritation or anything. So I just want to stuck to I just want to stick to one product, and this is the one. And then I have an eyeliner. I don't know where the cap is, but this is the Nykaa one. I think I need to change it, but yeah, I just have an eyeliner. Then I have a hand cream along. So this is from Nykaa, and it's French lavender and honey. This is almost over. I need to throw it, but yeah, so that's it pretty much. And yeah, we are pretty much done. There's some earrings, and I just have I think 5 rupees coin from India. So these are all the things which fit in this pouch, and it carries a lot. It might look small, but it really carries a lot. So now let's see what's in another pouch. So the next one is again a small pouch. I just want to get rid of the pouches so that then I can show you guys what exactly I have. So this pouch, I got it again from the Face Shop brand. They had just put some face mask and they had sent it to me. So in this pouch is more like a sanitary pad and sanitizer. So I have one bottle of sanitizers, which is a must nowadays. And then then I always carry some sanitary pads, and then a sanitary pad disposal bag, which is very important. I always use the bag. I don't just throw it in the trash bag, even at home or at any of the restrooms which I use. I always use these cute little bags which are very much available on Amazon. It's called as Fab Little Bags, and so you just need to open this up, then put your used sanitary pad, then you need to peel here and stick it and then throw it. It is kind of hygiene, as well as it doesn't disgust anyone else. So this is a very useful thing, and I carry this along with me too. So then I have SPF roll-on. It is Neutrogena's water sun protection. So this I carry along. Then I have some cotton pads to remove eyeliner, because I don't like it for a long time. I have this problem with me. Then I have some earbuds and cotton. I have a brush. I actually have a toothpaste also. So this is basically when I'm in a flight or something, I need to brush my teeth before getting off, or if it's too long. So that's exactly why I have put this, and it's just an emergency. I don't know where I will need it, so just I always have it. So this is a very important pouch. I can survive with this, if not anything else. Also, this one pouch is very important. So this always goes along if I'm traveling for a day trip or even more than 4 hours, and if I have periods going on or something, this is a must, or else I think I'll panic. So yes, this is something which every girl needs to carry along with her without fail. And in this pouch, it's actually from Ipsy. So I don't know if you guys know or not, there's a subscribable page called as Ipsy, where you can subscribe monthly and you get few products for like $10-12, and they actually give good amount of skincare products, so whatever your interest is. So when I had subscribed, I got this bag, and then in this I have again a moisturizer, body lotion basically, and this is from Forest Essential. It's called a Soundarya Ultra Rich Body Lotion with 24 karat gold and SPF 25. So this is something I really like. I basically like every product of Forest Essential, and one among them is this. And this is again my second bottle. So this is also a must. Then I have a mini perfume which is from Jimmy Choo, and this smells amazing. It is basically a gift by my husband, and it smells good, it fits perfectly, and yeah, it's really good. It is very mild, and it is kind of a mildish fruity kind of a flavor, but it's very mild. That's exactly why I like this. So then I have a mini body spray. This actually, I think, Huda Beauty's sister's brand, Kylie, and she had sent it along with some of the eye palettes or something which I had purchased. And I have a mini lipstick set. It's called as Nude Stick, and I bought this from Sephora. It basically has these 3 shades, and they are more like a nudish brown, and I like such colors. And they have a sharpener, and they have lipstick of this size, which is very handy, and it fits in the bag really well. So I carried this along with me just for a touch-up purpose or something. So then one more thing I have in this is a condom. So it's like just an emergency. I mean, if at all, like we are going on a vacation or something, and if at all my husband forgets to carry along or something, so I have just put it in this. I think even it's not like only husbands should carry or only guys should have it along. I think even it's the girl's responsibility to equally be careful. So that's exactly why I carry along with me. So I think everyone should carry just for the emergency purpose. So we are done with pouches. Now let's see what is in my bag other than those essentials. So the next one is odor block dry wash, which is very important for me, and this helps stop odor before it starts. It gives you that clean and fresh feeling without water, and it actually has no alcohol or no smell or anything. So this one I really like, and this is very important for me. Actually, I used to not carry 2 years back. I used to not carry all of these, but when I moved to USA, I actually suffered with a very serious infection which I couldn't tolerate, and that's exactly why I changed my settings and I changed my essentials, what should go into my bag. I know small bags are very fancy, compact, etc., but for me it is not about comfort. It is not about all those compact or very fancy kind of a thing. For me, more it is like a comfort zone. I need to have all of these so that I'm sure that I'm set. I don't need to be worried about anything, and especially such things. So what is the point of going on a vacation or having fun or anything when afterwards you need to come and suffer, which I really want to avoid. So I have started carrying all of this because it's very important. Almost since 2 years, this is what comes with me when I travel, and I'm set, and anyone who travels with me are also set. So yeah, so this is, if anyone is looking for a good dry wash, this brand is amazing. It's available in Target, and in India I actually don't know. I'll just look it up and I'll leave the link. So yeah, I have a lot of masks, and I have a lot of hand gloves, which is very important these days. So I carry just for emergency use and throw. And gloves, I have 3 pair of them, one for me, one for my husband, and one for if anyone is traveling with us. And we use it and we throw it, and then we come back, and again I stock it up in my bag. These are something which is very important. And then I have a spray sanitizer. This is very important. I don't use this much for my hand, but I use this, suppose I'm using a restroom outside, I spray it over the seat and then I use the restroom. That way actually it's helping a lot. I don't have any fear or anything that okay, something is going to affect me or I'm going to get infected or something. So this is a very important thing for me. Actually, this I recently bought. I used to use another brand. Now I'm using the Bath and Body Works aromatherapies eucalyptus mint, which is very nice. And this spray is only for my when I go to use restroom outside. So, next I have is this Tide to Go. It's more like a whitener, so when you spill something on your clothes, which happens a lot of time, at least to me, and then it's more like you just go out for lunch or dinner and then you have another plan for rest of the day, but it happens like you spill on yourself and then you don't know what to do. It's kind of embarrassing. So that's exactly why I put this in. It happened to me. It happens to me a lot of time, and I thought, okay, I need to figure out a way for this. And then I checked, and then there was this Tide whitener, which is available on Amazon. India and USA, both places have this. So I have this stick always with me. There's a pack of 3, so I use this, and I think this is still going on. This is my first pen, and there are 2 more to go, and it's been almost, I think, 1.5 years. It's not like every time I spill. I've used this only once or twice, so maybe that's exactly why it's still with me. Otherwise, I think if I'm a regular spiller or something, maybe I would have used all 3. But yeah, this is a very good thing to have along with us. You never know what happens. Then I have, I think in the middle section that's it. And now there's a small, it's not a small pouch, it's quite a big pouch. So there is a few things over here. I'll just show you guys. So this is my passport. So it's basically, when I travel, I take this along, or else I don't. So this is just a passport cover. I keep it like this so that nothing falls on this, or even if I have it, as I told, I keep chocolates or something in my bag, so accidentally I don't want anything affecting my passport. So I cover it like this, and I keep it in a Ziploc cover. And then I have a hand fan. This we bought it from Bali, and it's very good. So I just carry just like that. In summer I used to carry this a lot, so I think it's still there, but otherwise I think. Then I have a cap, which is always with me since almost 4 years. Wherever I go, there is a cap in my bag. So then I have a small comb, which is very, very cute. I don't remember where did I pick it up from, but it's very cute and nice. And then I have a small pouch. It's from Kate Spade, the pouch. And here I have a set of earrings, which is very important for me because I tend to lose them a lot. You can see here also I have like few, there's no pairs, and I just mix them and match. Like I can mix this bow with this one and something like that. And there are a lot of earrings which I've just lost one pair, and the other one is there. So I have a box where I've put all of them, and this is a must for me because there are times when I have lost my earrings and I just had to it actually falls off. I don't know if it happens to others also. I don't know, somehow it ends up falling off, and then I literally realize it later. It will be so funny. So that's exactly why I carried this. Even when I realize I can just change it or something. So this is something which is there with me, and this is a third packet or something because I just keep losing, and it's so frustrating. But anyways, and then I have a small bangle because most of the time I don't wear something, or I forget, and I just have a rubber band on my wrist and I just go out, and then later I realize I should have had worn a bracelet, or I should have worn something. So that's exactly why I always have this. And this I bought it from Shein, which is a very cute bracelet, and it is very nice. It goes with everything, so I just have put it in my bag. Other than that, I think yes, pretty much that's it. Oh, I have a pouch over here. I forgot. This is the fun pouch. Let me just show you guys what do I have here. So here I have gum, which is a must. I think everyone carries along. Then I have more hand sanitizer, hand cream, and then I have this, which is, I think every girl relates to this. No rubber bands and no clips are enough for us. We always tend to lose it, or I don't know, that there's some issue with us, I guess. I don't know how do we end up losing it also. So I have a few of the rubber bands, and there are 3 clips. So this is always with me. And then I have pen and a notepad along with me, just in emergency case, and there's another pen as well. Then I have a hairpin, which is important. I don't know for what, but it is important. Then I have this Vicks inhaler, which I recently put it, like when Corona issue, all of it started. I just thought this might be of some use, and I just put it in my bag. Then I have this also I used to wipe the what do you call it, the toilet seat, and if suppose I'm out of sanitizer or anything, I use this. So this is also called as Go on the Go, if you can see this. It's a cleaning cloth, and this is not only used for wiping the seat cover, it is also used to wipe yourself after you're done with peeing or whatever work you've gone into the washroom for. So this is also good if you don't like the dry spray or something. This is another one which is very very useful, and I have been using this a lot of late, and it's good. No rashes or nothing. It has aloe vera in it, and it's alcohol free, so that's something which is very very good. And then what do I have? I just have a Ziploc emergency sake, and then I have this iPhone's I don't know what do you call this, connector or something, this one. And yeah, that's it. We are done. So apart from these stuffs, I carry my AirPod as well as charger, especially if I'm going on a day trip or a vacation. So I'm sure all of us need our chargers, so that is a must. I think pretty much we are done with the video. We are at the end of the video, and I hope all of you like this video. I hope this made you think what should go in your bag. Also in the comment section, let me know which one of these products would you add in your bag, and also let me know, did I miss on some product and there's something which you guys carry and I have missed it out. Let me know in the comment section so that I can add it to my bag as well if it's something very very important. Other than that, if you really like this video, please click the like button as well as press the notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I put up a video, as well as share this video with all of your friends, which is very very important. And as well as please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also follow me on Instagram for other videos. There's a lot of fun videos on Instagram. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.